If you're getting hair extensions for the first time, it's completely normal to wonder which method is going to be best. But the truth is, there isn't one beginner method that's right for all. The best hair extensions for you will depend on your natural hair, your lifestyle, and what you're hoping to achieve, whether that's adding length, volume, or both. Many people assume they should simply choose the most popular method, but that's not really how professional hair extensions work. For example, if you have fine hair, a technician might recommend well-placed nanotips or tri-tapes because they're designed to sit discreetly without adding unnecessary bulk. If your hair is naturally thicker, tapes or wefts might be a better option. The most important thing is choosing a method that's suited to your hair, not following what's worked for somebody else. As a beginner, it's also worth thinking about how much maintenance you're happy to commit to. Every professional hair extension method requires regular maintenance appointments, the correct aftercare products, and daily brushing. Going into the process with realistic expectations will help you enjoy your extensions from the very beginning. A good hair extension technician should take the time to assess your hair, explain your options, and recommend the method that they genuinely believe is right for you and your hair. If you feel like you're being pushed towards one method without any discussion about your hair or lifestyle, it's worth asking why. The quality of the hair that you choose is just as important as the fitting method. Premium human hair will usually feel softer, blend more naturally, and last significantly longer when it's cared for properly. So rather than asking what's the best hair extension method for beginners, ask which method is best placed for me to start. That's the question that's usually going to lead to the best long-term result. Now, if you're also wondering which hair extensions are the safest, easiest to maintain, or best suited to your hair type, we've covered those questions in some of our other Roots Q&As. And if there's another question that you can't find, let us know. We're always creating straightforward expert advice to help you choose the hair extensions that are genuinely right for you.